News 8 has learned that the family of the 9-year-old girl who was pepper sprayed by a Rochester police officer last Friday has filed a notice of claim against the city of Rochester. That means they intend to sue. In response, late today, Rochester City spokesperson Justin Roy released this statement saying, quote, Mayor Warren continues to be outraged by what occurred on Friday and remains concerned that the child involved and her family get the support they need. She has directed city resources to assist them. The mayor is continuing to work diligently to reform our police department and ensure accountability. 3 police officers have been pulled from patrol at this point, and an internal investigation is underway after that girl was handcuffed and pepper sprayed. The incident was recorded by police body cameras. Tonight, child and family advocates who watched that video say police could have used other tactics here that might have led to a better outcome. Well, they spoke with Christian Garzone, and Christian joins us now in studio with more on this.
Adam, we spoke to 2 organizations that both deal with children and families and trauma. They agree the girl in the video was going through something significant, and her actions might have been her way of asking for help. In the future, they're hoping to see more mental health professionals respond alongside the police.
I have a 10-year-old daughter, and when I first saw that, my heart just broke.
Megan DeShadaview, president and CEO of the Willow Domestic Violence Center, says the video of this 9-year-old being handcuffed and pepper sprayed by Rochester police was a plea for help.
I couldn't help but see it also as an anguished cry for help for our entire community.
DeShadaview says with these unprecedented times, the call for mental health is greater than ever.
For that child in that moment, and for everyone like her that's suffering right now.
And when it comes to the mental health response, many are asking, where was the city's person and crisis team to help? The city says the initial 911 call was for a stolen car, not something the team would respond to. Also, the PIC is still in a pilot phase and does not currently do co-response calls. The city says there was a resource available, the county's mental health team. Why they were not called, a question, they say, for police.
I was heartbroken and I was horrified.
Deb Rosen with the Bavona Child Advocacy Center says perhaps there's a chance for more training with basic de-escalation within the RPD when it comes to responding to these types of calls.
What we saw was that child was not being interacted with in a compassionate manner. She was not being addressed by her name. Rosen
says she hopes in the future there will be co-response calls between mental health and police. That blend, she says, might be able to calm situations like this. DeShadaview agrees.
Having a skilled professional social worker or mental health counselor on site in that moment could have achieved a different result.
Now, on the city's PIC team, we're told the pilot phase lasts until June 30th. The intent is to keep that team and do co-response calls with police sometime after that date. Adam, back to you.